Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Welcome back to another scam exposure video for today. Guys, if you don't know who I am, I post scam exposure videos of all the apps running around the marketplace right now, calling them out for what they are. And that is just an absolute lie. They promise real life money rewards to you guys out there, the viewers. They promise that you're going to get rich fast. They promise low cash outs. And they promise that you'll get your money. And I'm here to tell you that 99% of the apps you are playing right now, expecting real life money from, will never pay you. And do you know why? Because they're not regulated properly from Google. It's an absolute fix. It's a joke. It's a scam. It needs to be taken down. These apps need to be destroyed, dude. Honestly. Besides the point, I'm here to show you 2048 card casual and why it's a scam. Here we go. So, first telltale sign of a scam app. It gives you the tips that say how many coins equals one real life dollar, okay? I've played about 10 of these things, like with this exact layout, and they all have the same concept. You need coins to transfer into dollars. 22,400 coins equals a dollar. That is almost the exact same from the multiple of these merge apps that I've tried, okay? Cash out would be 200. Yes, it is. See what I mean? Cash out's 200, guys. It's always 200. It's always 100. They will never give you an option for like $10 with PayPal rewards. It has to be their coins. Think about this. What's better for them as a developer? You watching 20,000 ads to get 100 or 100,000 coins or 50,000 in-game coins, or them allowing you just to get $10 worth of PayPal credits and then you cashing that out within like 2 minutes? Because I'm telling you now, you watch how fast I'll get PayPal money. Watch this, everyone. If this is a scam, you watch the PayPal money I get. I promise you. I'm this confident, guys, and this is why you should like and subscribe. I know what I'm saying with this trash, and I'm here to save you guys, okay? I'm here to save you all from getting scammed from these pathetic apps that advertise. Trust me. It's going to be a drama, but whatever. I'm here to take the hits for you all. 512, 512. There we go, 2,000. Oh! Whoa! $10! $10, there we go, bro. I collected $10. Oh, wow. This ain't a scam, bro. Alright, collect. Let's watch those rewards die down real quick. By the way, just an FYI. Alright, so 32. Got nowhere to put these cards, by the way, right now. Got literally nowhere to put these cards. This is a bit awkward, isn't it? Oh, but yeah, so instantly got $10. Giving me high hopes. It's giving me hopes and I want to win heaps of money, guys. This is where the scam really starts, okay? That's what you got to be careful of. There we go. Look at this big merging. Okay, so I got 300 coins. 150 coins. No thanks. So I haven't got any more PayPal money, just coin rewards. Now, yeah, here. Look. Look, everyone. See? Look, dude. I'm only on 560 coins in the matter of 3 minutes, right? But 200,000 coins needed for $10, 488,000 coins needed for $25, almost 1 million coins needed for $50 in PayPal money. They make the PayPal rewards so hard to get, right? Literally, because they know that's what people want. People want PayPal rewards. We don't care about the in-game currency of coins. We want PayPal. And that's what developers know, okay? It's just a joke. It's an absolute rip-off, dude. It just makes me infuriated. It really, really does. I don't even know where I want to put that coin there, by the way. Or that coin, that card. I have to merge them two together. Okay, so $5. There we go. $4.56. Okay, see? We had $10 before. Now we're up to $4.56. It's just going to keep on getting lower. It will keep getting lower as time goes on here, okay? I can't even merge that there. Damn. Put that there, merge. There we go. 2048. Where's my $10 PayPal reward? Where's the $10 PayPal reward? I just got 2048. You gave me it last time. 2048 again. 300 coins. Dude. Double coins, watch an ad. So essentially, you're not going to get any coins really unless you watch an advertisement. Could you imagine watching enough ads to get $1? 22,000 coins? Could you imagine that, everyone? Like, legitimately, bro? You're going to get 240 coins, dude. Per, like, proper merge. And you need 22,400 coins for $1. That's how you know an app's a scam, guys. Please listen to me when I'm talking to you about this. It's a scam, bro. You can see this a mile away. Like, honestly, You can't, don't waste your time. You can't be serious with this. You guys have so much better things to do in your life. Look, collect it the $4. Here we go, watch an ad. This is where it begins, everyone. I hate this ad, by the way. This ad's so stupid. Not enough! How about you shut up and get off my screen? Stupid scammers. Do you know what this ad's probably about? It's probably about car insurance or something, right? This is probably a car insurance ad, and these idiot developers have taken that part of the clip and just put it into their advertisement and just dubbed over it. You know what I mean? It's classic. It's absolutely classic. I don't know, everyone. What do you do? What would you do if you were me right now? Would you just sit here and play these scam apps every day? I mean, I'm doing it because literally I am making a career out of showcasing scams. Being an official scam buster for apps. I love it. I love it, dude. There's nothing I love more than waking up and playing these scam apps and just completely annihilating them. Seriously, bro. But at the moment, I am starting to move into stock market stuff as well on my channel, guys. So if you want to learn about the stock market, I also have videos about the stock market on my channel. Just an FYI, in case you are curious. Either wait to the end of this video, you get a prompt to watch one of those videos. You don't have to, obviously, but yeah. So where I want to put this? 128. Damn, I should have put it there. That's alright. There's not much I can really do, though. 32, 128. I guess I'll put it there for now. 64, 32, 128, 64. I need that 32 to be... Bloody 32, seriously? Let's use that one. So, yeah, just getting coins non-stop. So, concept of the game. Trick you into thinking you're going to get real-life money. Make you watch hundreds of ads to get the coins to even cash out $1. You won't even be able to cash out $1 until you hit $200, though, everyone. This is something you're going to have to remember, okay? That's why it's a joke. It's a joke. Please stay away from this app. Please, guys, do me a favor. Do me one favor and stay away from this app. It's a scam. And it just makes me so mad. I mean, look at this situation right now, bro. $6.53, watch another ad. These rewards drop as we get higher into the app. But the problem is I only dedicate 8 minutes to these apps, dude, because I'm not wasting my life looking at these scams. There's literally people on YouTube that are trying to think, like, they think this is legitimate. And I feel so bad for them, dude. It's such a scam. I really hope someone does something about this. I hope Google wakes up and bans them. Google needs to ban these apps now. But yeah, it's a joke. I'm not watching ads. I refuse to. You can get screwed, app. I know for a fact it's a scam. I know. I know deep down it's a scam, everyone. I'm not going to waste my time watching advertisements on a fake app, bro. I should have put the 1024 up there. Whoops. That's right. You can tell I'm done. I'm done, dude. I'm just done with this app. Anyway, stay safe out there. Hopefully I've saved you a lot of time and effort, and hopefully I explained the big scam to you, okay? This app needs to be destroyed. It cannot be on the Play Store anymore. Either way, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next episode tomorrow. Check out my channel for more scam busting videos. And hopefully you subscribe. See you next time.